Oh my lord, it's still really icy. I don't know if it's gonna work. Hand? This is ridiculous. So absolutely ridiculous.
These are not my new favorite things.
What are you doing? My feet are wet. I have your phone.
Oh, stop.
There's a picture. Stink face.
Stop. I'm making a photo. I'm gonna make you famous.
She's leaving. Olivia. Are you stuck?
Look at me.
Are you stuck?
Look. Onto the train.
What are you doing to her?
No, baby. Good. Now hold on to the chain. Hold on to these. Yeah. Stay there.
And this is how we end the hike. She didn't even slip on ice.